What's going on, everyone? I'm Encore. This is Tomorrow Never Comes. And this video is all about Bitcoin is dead. Yeah, that's right. Bitcoin is dead. That's probably the 400th time that has been declared. And before you guys freak out, I want to show you something that I came across. There's actually a site that records all of the times, through publications, backed up by publications, that states that Bitcoin is dead. So these are the obituaries, Bitcoin obituaries. And very, very interesting stuff. And I thought it was great. I don't even minimize here. So, and I'm going to put the link in the description below. Bitcoin is dead, the #1 database of notable Bitcoin skeptics. Okay? So if you guys can see here, we start all the way from, well, let's see here. So we've got October 15, 2010, and all the way to, well, I guess we have stopped at June 24th in terms of skeptics and publications. And publications could mean like an actual article or as a tweet or something like that. But very interesting is, I shouldn't even see this one here, is October 15, 2010, why Bitcoin can't be a currency, the underground economist. And it goes on about the negativity around it, the negative feedback loops, all this. But here's the interesting part. What was the price of Bitcoin? I don't know if you guys can see this or not. 11 cents. 11 cents in 2012 of October 15th. Where were you October 15th? Where was I October 15th of 2010? I definitely was not looking towards creating generational wealth. That I can assure you. But, I mean, if we look on May 8th, 2011, Bitcoin's $3.87. And the article is why Bitcoin will fail. June 20, 2011, $17.51. Okay? So let's move over to the next cycle here, which is in the 2013-14 area. We've got all kinds right here, right? We've, Bitcoin is dead. That's the weekly standard. This is February 11, 2014. Bitcoin price was $670. Okay, $670. And what's interesting is even at the bottom of here, they tell you what $1,000 worth of Bitcoin bought on this date would give you now. Okay, so if we went back to 2010 when Bitcoin was 11 cents, $1,000 of Bitcoin would net you, just over $212 million. So if that didn't make you feel bad, I don't know what will. Right? If we went on now, it would be 2.2 million in 2011. 2014, we have 35,000. So it's such a great piece, great platform, great website, because look, and they'll give you the title, Bitcoin, why Bitcoin's middle domination will be its downfall. This was 2015. Bitcoin price was $235. So it took a little hit there, right? We go on cycle to cycle. 2017, I'm sure. 2018, there'll probably be some really bad ones. Let's see, where are we? Popped up here. Let's go down over here. Let's go here. 2018, June 15th. Bitcoin's greater fools go into hiding. That was June 15, 2018. And Bitcoin's price was $6,400. Okay, so the negative articles continue. And then obviously we get our big leg up here. And look, even up at the price point up here when Bitcoin was almost 57,000, cryptocurrencies, they'll die. And this was on Twitter. Okay, Steve Miller was a trader. Okay, just going on and on and on. And the very last one that they have is buy Bitcoin, which is July 24th. Bitcoin is zero risk, infinite reward. Okay, so that's a little bit different there, and good to see that. All right, but like every single dot here is a skeptic and backed up by actual quotes or publications. Okay, so and if you look down here, you can click on the actual article itself and it will take you through to it, but you can see the price point, 11 cents, $4, $24. This is all within a 2-year span, and it went from 11 cents to $750, and yet the articles continue. Okay, now look here, show 365 more lines here. Okay, so it goes 385 publicly backed or publication backed or print backed articles or statements where Bitcoin is going to die or is dead. All right, this is unbelievable. I love this fight and this site, and I'm gonna keep looking at this for sure. And it's just something that I think is a valuable lesson for all of us, is that every single time you can see between 2010 to now, there are always people who are going to be skeptics. Whether Bitcoin is high, if it's high, it's going to say it's unsustainable, there's no inherent value, Bitcoin is dead. If it crashes and goes low, 80 to 90% or even 50%, they're going to say, well, look, it's crashing. We told you it's going to go to zero. It's a no-win situation being pro-Bitcoin or pro-crypto. There just isn't. If you're reading these headlines as clickbait and you're following the masses and letting other people dictate what you should think. Do your own research. You'll understand why, even though there are all these skeptics, or at least, articles written by skeptics at the time, why does the adoption continue to grow? Why does the network continue to get stronger? Okay, so again, let's minimize here. Look at all of the dots. All of them from 2010 to now, of all reported skeptics, naysayers, Bitcoin is dead, articles, publications. Okay? And yet the price point has gone continually up and up and up. All right? Now, that doesn't mean it can't trend sideways for a while. You guys can see 2011, 2012, 13, 14, even 2015 all the way to 18 can trend sideways. It can go down. It can do all of those things. Nobody knows, no matter what anybody says, nobody knows the direction, the short-term direction, and how long it's going to stay there. Okay? But do your research. Find out why, irrespective of these articles and people behind these articles, the adoption continues to grow and the network continues to get stronger. So very fascinating site. I'm going to put the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. I think it's very interesting to have a look and see what's been happening since 2010 to now. And actually it'd be interesting to go back and see if any of these authors of these articles or publications changed their mind. Maybe that's step number 2 to go look into. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell. Remember, tomorrow never comes. Take action, invest in yourself today. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.